In this video, I'll show you how to get started in email marketing. You need to sign up for a web account. Log into your Aweber account. Click on Do this step. Enter your list name. For example, eCover Actions 1. Description: create stunning e-covers in just few clicks. Add your name and your email address. Click on Save Settings. Put your company name and your website URL. And then click Save Settings. On this page, you can edit your confirm email. Enter a subject, and you can choose a pre-approved one. Here is the introduction, and you can insert field. Click to add a custom closing. For example, thank you, and insert your name. Click Save Settings. Enter your confirmation success page URL. For example, ecoveractions.net/affiliates, and then click Save Settings. Click on Do this step to do your welcome email. Add a subject. Choose your template. And then click Next. Save. Click on Do this step to create your web form to place it on your website. Choose a template for your form. Load template. Click Go to step 2. Enter your form name, for example, eCover Actions. Then choose your thank you page. This is where people will be directed to after filling your form. Add your website thank you page here. Click Save. And then click Go to step 3 to place the form on your site. Click on I will install my form. And copy the code. Log into your WordPress site. Go to opt-in forms. And here your opt-in box containers. If you change anything in this box, it will automatically be changed on your squeeze page. Change the name and paste your Aweber code in this box. And click Save Changes. You can see the Aweber box. It will automatically be changed on your squeeze page. See you in the next video.